In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign on Mailerlite. We'll walk through the process from starting a new campaign all the way to sending or scheduling it, so you can confidently launch your next email without feeling lost in the dashboard. First, once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, head over to the Campaigns section in your main dashboard. This is where all of your email broadcasts live. Look for the button that says Create Campaign or Create New Campaign and click it. That's your starting point for every new email you send out. Next, you'll be asked to choose your campaign type. For most situations, you'll want to select a regular campaign, which is just a standard one-off email. You'll also see options like an RSS campaign, which is great if you want your blog updates to be sent automatically, or an A/B split test campaign, which lets you test different subject lines or content to see which performs better. Once you've picked the type that fits your goal, click Continue or Save and continue to move forward. Now it's time to design your email content. Click on Next Content. Mailerlite will ask you which editor you'd like to use. The drag and drop editor is usually the easiest if you prefer a visual layout. You can also choose the rich text editor for more minimal, text-focused emails, or custom HTML if you or your team code emails by hand. After choosing the editor, select a starting point. You can pick a pre-designed layout from the template gallery, use a template you've saved before, or start completely from scratch. Once you're in the editor, begin building your email by dragging blocks like headlines, images, text areas, and buttons onto the canvas. Take your time to match the look and feel of your brand. To make your emails feel more personal, you can insert contact fields, such as the subscriber's first name, into your text. This pulls in information from your audience list so each person sees a customized version, which often improves engagement. Next, set up your campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name so you can recognize it later. Your subscribers won't see this. Then write your subject line, which is what appears in the inbox and has a big impact on open rates. You can add a short pre-header as well, which is the preview text that shows up next to or below the subject line in most email clients. Make sure your sender details use a professional email address your audience will recognize and trust. Now choose who will receive this campaign. Click Select Recipients and pick the groups or segments you want to target. Before you move on, check your tracking settings and ensure that Track Opens is enabled so you can see how your campaign performs later. Finally, it's time to review and send. Use the preview option to see how your email looks on desktop and mobile, and send a test email to yourself or a teammate to double-check links, images, and formatting. When you're happy with everything, go to the Review and Confirm page. Here, take a moment to confirm your subject line, sender details, recipients, and tracking. If everything looks good, you can either send the campaign immediately or choose Schedule to set it for a future date and time. And that's the full process for creating a campaign in Mailerlite.